Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Did you know that Muslims and Jews are technically cousins? How? Well, Prophet Ibrahim had two sons, Ismail and Ishaq, who were both great prophets of God. The descendants of Prophet Ishaq are from Nabi Yaqub, who are the children of Israel, aka the Jews, and lived in the area of Jerusalem. And the descendants of Prophet Ismail lived in the area of Mecca, from among which Prophet Muhammad was born, and so were many of his followers. So as you can see, aside from the fact that we both follow Abrahamic religions and worship the one true God, Muslims and Jews are closer than you'd think. It's such a shame that there has been so much conflict and bloodshed between us throughout history. Now, back to Prophet Ismail. As you might know, he was the prophet who was tested in the great sacrifice mentioned in the Quran. He restored the house of Kaaba along with his father. Also, yet another testament for the greatness of this prophet is how Muslims are obligated to commemorate the struggle he and his mother went through during our Hajj rituals. And if you're wondering where His Eminence is buried, well, it's right there in the house of God. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.